Welcome back to Mr. Tech. Today, get ready to be blown away by jaw-dropping forestry machinery and its standout features. If you're into powerful machines and cutting-edge tech, smash that like button and subscribe for more thrills. Let's dive in. Hull Oaks in SW Corvallis, OR, has been family-run for generations. Originally steam-powered, they switched to electricity due to high maintenance. I was there for the transition. They still provide irreplaceable items like masts for classic sailing ships. That boat hook is actually a peavey. Just look at that massive piece of wood. Imagine the ships the Vikings could have built with those planks. Check out the log set TH65 paired with the powerful and agile Komatsu 911 in action on Big Spruce. This robust harvester head is designed for efficient log processing in the toughest forestry conditions, delivering outstanding performance and precision. What a combination! Imagine driving a logging truck loaded at 16 meters down Mont Guillaume, a perilous descent with steep slopes, narrow roads, and sharp hairpin bends. This is the pinnacle of extreme professions, and the driver's mastery is absolutely awe-inspiring. What a breathtaking and nerve-wracking journey. Witnessing the Komatsu 901XC harvester in action on a snowy, wet slope is a sight to behold. Demonstrated in Västerbotten in Sweden is perfect for thinning operations in tough terrains. Its 8-wheel drive system tackles steep and soft conditions with ease, while the 3-pump hydraulic system allows for simultaneous operations, ensuring high productivity and fuel efficiency. Priced at around $700,000, this beast of a machine showcases Komatsu's cutting-edge engineering. What do you think about this powerhouse in the forest? Witnessing the XMK line for Palouse bandsaws and sawmills in action is truly impressive. This advanced lumber handling system connects seamlessly with high-productivity Palouse sawmills like the CTR 800H, 1000H40, 1000H60, and 1300 hydraulic. The accelerated, fully mechanized material handling not only boosts machine productivity, but also slashes labor costs. A real game changer. The Fecon Stumpex proved its mettle on a recent large-scale job, tackling stumps ranging from 6 to 40 inches in diameter. It averaged about 4 minutes per stump, with the largest ones taking closer to 10 minutes. In an 11-hour workday, we ground down an impressive 125 stumps. It's easily the best stump grinder I've ever seen. Love the soothing, musical sound it makes. This method of stump removal is top-notch. Low noise, low impact, and likely low maintenance compared to high-speed alternatives. The power of advanced technology in action with the D6R XL bulldozer transforming plantation roads. This impressive machine showcases cutting-edge techniques, optimizing road systems to reduce maintenance costs and boost productivity. A must-see for anyone looking to upgrade their plantation infrastructure. Whoa, that Wust SMC 8112 TCR is a wood chipping monster. That 540 horsepower engine is a beast, and the 120x 80 cm inlet throat can swallow whole trees. I've seen this thing in action, and it makes short work of softwood. The adjustable cutting length and chip size give you total control over the end product, and that 35-meter ejection range is insane. This chipper is a game changer for high production operations. Watching the small but mighty Jar-Crack EvaPro Eco Harvester navigate the forests of southern Germany is impressive. This lightweight machine, designed with 4 tracks, is perfect for soft terrain, being gentle on the ground. Equipped with a Moe crane, LogMax 2000T harvester head, and LogMate 510 measuring device, it showcases Finnish engineering at its best. How incredible to see such efficiency and care for the environment in action. Taking a look at the Wolf Ridge heavy-duty industrial 35-ton box wedge wood splitter. This thing is a beast. The pros and cons of box wedge machines are laid out clearly, and the honesty is refreshing. Your splitters are selling like hotcakes. The versatility of this machine is truly impressive. Wow, watching the LW600KN wheel loader unload massive logs from the truck at the timber yard is impressive. I wonder how long it took them to gather such a huge amount of wood. Imagine a dense, overgrown field in mid-Missouri. The Cat 299D2 XHP rolls in, its Bradco MM60 mulcher head spinning. A seasoned pro from Blair Land Clearing expertly maneuvers, transforming the tangled mess into a smooth landscape. The sun beats down, but the operator remains cool in the air-conditioned cab. This isn't just land clearing, it's a testament to technology and skill. Whoa, this Welte W2-10 is a beast. That 1.6 Measure 3 clamping bench is huge, and with a 10.2 meter reach on that Palfinger Epsilon crane, you can grab timber from a mile away. I've been running forwarders for years, and this one is top-notch. It's a bit of an investment at $500,000, but with today's timber prices, it'll pay for itself in no time. Plus, that panoramic cab and smooth hydraulics make long days in the woods a breeze. Removing stumps the cool way. Watch as a gnarly stump splitter on a 330 excavator tackles those stubborn stumps. It's impressive how hard the settlers work to clear land for farming. This beast of a machine gets the job done, but those stumps put up one heck of a fight. Boys, that's one angry rooster. The sight and sound of the Ponce Ergo cutting through hardwood trees is absolutely thrilling. This versatile forestry harvester, available in both 6-wheel and 8-wheel configurations, boasts a powerful Mercedes-Benz OMA 936LA engine with 286 HP. It meets EU Stage FAFAS Tier 4 final emission standards and features a robust frame, efficient hydraulics, and an active suspension system for superior comfort and stability. Watching a Caterpillar D7 carve out logging roads before winter hits in Hegra, Norway, is pure nostalgia. This old dozer is a beast, just like the ones I used in Southern Oregon's woods. Great memories of those D7Es and D7Fs, truly the happiest days of my life. This land will soon be ready for cultivation, and it's all thanks to the relentless power of the D7. Witnessing the Jarcrack Evo Pro tracked forwarder in action in southern Germany is truly remarkable. With a load capacity of 5,000 kilonewtons, this machine effortlessly transports heavy loads out of the forest without damaging the terrain or tree roots, thanks to its extremely low ground pressure. What an impressive display of engineering and environmental care. Jens has outdone themselves with the HEM 593. That 820mm rotor diameter and 1400mm intake width are impressive, but it's the Cobra cabin that really sets it apart. The 180-degree rotation gives the operator a perfect view of the entire operation, and the ergonomic controls make it a joy to run. This machine isn't just powerful, it's smart. The way it handles even the toughest wood is a testament to Gen Z's engineering expertise. Watching the harvester at work, you can't help but marvel at the efficiency and precision. The Komatsu forestry harvester, expertly operated by David from Atare SP, makes quick work of those eucalyptus trees. If I'm not mistaken, that's the powerful 370E head on a Komatsu PC200. Truly a display of remarkable skill and top-notch equipment. In under a minute, the Hitachi Zaxxas 200 with a ripper tooth attachment rips out a massive stump. Unbelievable efficiency. This setup uses a third of the fuel compared to a normal bucket. It's incredible to see such innovation in action. What inspired the design? It clearly works exceptionally well. A word to the wise, tractors are for farming, bulldozers for everything else. This video makes me appreciate the power of a storm that can uproot a tree in seconds. Always cut the stump high to leverage the chain and keep your power source far to reduce pull angle. Digging and cutting roots on the offside also help. We recently added the Ventura band saw to our shop, and it's been a game changer. The increased cutting capacity and hydraulic clamps have significantly improved our productivity. The customizable options allow us to tailor the machine to our specific needs, and the ease of maintenance has minimized downtime. This saw is a smart investment that's already paying off. Witness the power of the AHWI Raptor 300 in the rugged Balkans. This versatile beast designed for forestry and reclamation excels in tough terrains. Equipped with a robust CAT C7.1 engine, delivering 275 HP, it effortlessly tackles heavy-duty mulching. Its compact, agile design and modular architecture make it adaptable for various tasks. Impressive, right? The Timber Pro 830D combo is truly impressive when tackling big hardwood. Watching it delimb those massive branches with ease is mesmerizing. The precision it maintains, even in challenging conditions, is a testament to its robust design and advanced technology. With its powerful engine and high-efficiency head, this machine not only excels in felling and processing, but also shows why it's a powerhouse in forestry. If only my setup worked that smoothly. Chains seem to fly off every time. Stump grinding just hit the next level with Stump Boss Late-Eated in New Zealand. Their custom-built stump chipping heads and cutting-edge technology make quick work of even the toughest hardwood stumps. With its powerful engine and robust grinding wheel, the Stump Boss turns a once daunting task into a breeze, showcasing top-tier efficiency and precision. This Biber 92 is a beast. I've run a lot of chippers in my day, but this thing is on another level. That 122mm wide intake can swallow whole trees, and the chipping power is insane. I've seen it handle hardwood up to 75mm diameter without breaking a sweat. This machine isn't just efficient, it's a productivity monster. Imagine a dense, rain-soaked forest, the ground churned into a muddy mess. A John Deere 1010E emerges from the trees, its 6 wheels churning through the muck. The machine is a veteran, its paint faded and worn, but its spirit unbroken. With a powerful roar, it hauls a massive load of logs, its tracks leaving deep impressions in the mud. The operator, a seasoned pro, navigates the treacherous terrain with confidence, their eyes fixed on the destination. The Bell Ultra C Track Feller Buncher is a beast of a machine, slicing through hardwood with unmatched precision and power. Its advanced track system ensures rock-solid stability and smooth navigation over rough terrain, while the high-performance cutting head and hydraulic might make short work of even the toughest logs. Truly a game-changer in the world of hardwood logging. Picture a snowy forest in North Karelia, Finland. The air is crisp, the silence broken only by the rhythmic hum of a powerful machine. The John Deere 1270E IT4 emerges from the trees, its 8 wheels leaving barely a trace in the snow. The operator, a seasoned pro, effortlessly guides the machine. Their movements a testament to years of experience. With a flick of the joystick, the H414 head comes to life, its razor-sharp teeth slicing through spruce trunks with surgical precision. Wow, the K-Mox F175 skidder is jaw-dropping. Dragging 20 cubic meters of wood down a steep slope with no driver at the controls is next-level innovation. Seeing a skidder operate remotely for the first time is nothing short of incredible. What a game changer. Check out the Hickory series in action. This powerhouse, equipped with a 42-ton cylinder and a 48 GPM hydraulic system, tackles massive 20, the 30 rounds effortlessly. With its 6-way box wedge, it shreds through big logs in no time. None of those small, easy splits here. David Hull braves the icy, wet conditions to haul a massive 3-log load with his classic 1972 Kenworth, paired with a vintage Peerless trailer. With Trees R Us Logging's 738 Thunderbird loading up the old Douglas fir, the big cam 400 Cummins roars to life, showing that old-school muscle still dominates. This rugged setup delivers a piece of logging history straight to Todd Niestrom's Hull Oaks Lumber Co., proving that true craftsmanship endures. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these innovations. Drop your thoughts in the comments, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.